It is the month of April. We're on to the last target, divide by 7 and 9. Again, there's not very many left. They've done most division by now, and they should be able to handle dividing by 7 and 9. So what we're going to do is warm up again with multiple cards. I know you're sick of doing this, and the kids are sick of doing this, but it doesn't really matter because the more they see the multiples, the easier it will be to relate multiplication and division. So with the divide by 7 and 9, I'll start with divide by 7s. You'll have a deck of cards here that have divide by 7 and also divide by 9. So what you're going to do is just give each student a card and help them think through what is the multiplication fact that would help me solve this. So I have 42 and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. So the question mark is 7 times what equals 42? This should be something that they are getting better at because they've seen it many times. But go ahead and think about strategies they can use. Like if I put 5 in each box, would that be enough? If I put 6 in each box, would that make it to 42? So that way they're thinking about multiplication to divide. Then you have the same thing for the divide by 9. You have much bigger ones where you have divide by 9. You can also have them match the equation to the model first if that's helpful. But thinking about how many would have to be in each box for me to get to 72. Then you also have an option for when there's a divide by 9, you can reverse solve it. So let's find one. These are all the division cards you can use to check your students. But when we get to divide by 9, let me grab that one. 36 divided by 9. So they're used to seeing like 9 times 5 is 45, right? But they can reverse it and think about showing 36 on their fingers. So here it'd have to be 10, 20, 30. This finger would have to come down, and then I have 6. So the fourth finger is down, so the answer is 4. This will take a little bit for them to get used to that. Let's do one more. So I need 45 on my fingers. 10, 20, 30, 40. The fifth finger goes down, and I have 5 over here. So then I know the answer is 5. I love this. So let's do one more. 27 divided by 9. Here's 20. Here's 7. The third finger is down. The answer is 3. I think that's probably going to be, if they're used to doing the 9s trick with their fingers, that's probably going to be your best bet with divide by 9s. And that's all. That's it for April. You'll have the whole month of May to get any students who are still struggling with some of those division facts there. But that's all we've got to do for the month of April.